Everyone, John Cunningham Ryan here for the Wexford Library Service. I'd just like to quickly show you how to use our online catalogue. So when you have your web browser open, go to wexfordcoco.ie/libraries. This will open up the Wexford County Council website and the library department. And you can see all the different services that the library provide. And we're going to search for and renew your books. And then we're going to click on the next link, search for and renew your books. We can hit that link there, or we can just hit the picture there. Either will bring you to the same place. And you can see a second page has opened up with the title on the tab there is Encore. So Encore is the online catalogue that all 333 branches of the public library service use, giving you access to 14 million titles. So if you're looking for a book or whatever you're looking for, you just type it in the box here. So I'm actually going to look for The Birds DVD by Alfred Hitchcock. If I didn't put in Alfred Hitchcock, it would probably bring up the original book. But there we go now. You can see that we have a selection of DVDs that are available. If you want, you can refine your search down here. So for example, if you're just looking for your own county, there we go, we have the DVD or the book. So obviously somebody has catalogued the book, saying that it's of the, that's the movie is linked to it, and you can see other tags in there. So that's very useful to refine your search. Or you can just click into a title, make sure it's what you're looking for. So when you click on the title, it'll bring up, normally brings up where there are copies available, and sometimes it'll bring up a description of the item. So that is how you do a plain search in Encore. If you want to do an advanced search, click Advanced. And this is particularly useful when you don't know the exact name, title, or author of what you're looking for. So for instance, you might be looking for a subject of farming. You might be in your local branch. So for me, it would be the Wexford Town branch. And I'm going to search. So this will bring up anything that has been catalogued with a subject of farming that is available, or that is in Wexford Town Library. So there we go, a whole selection of items that you can go into and further peruse. That's how we use our catalogue. Thank you very much. I have been John Ryan with the Wexford Library Services.